Yeah, so my country people, I agree to now. Chelsea 2 and Arsenal 2. And we get our guy also, we be a Ogbonge football fan, a Ogbonge Chelsea fan. Make it call. Tell us about how we see this game. Oga also, going into this game, me and you sit down, you be the time you say some of your colleagues for work, they not let you rest for 2 weeks for international break because they believe say Arsenal go break on our face 2 seconds. How you see your team performance today?
For me, I think we play very well now. Chelsea play exceptionally well. I mean, this is one of our best games so far. It's not the best game this season. Because for the first half, I understand the strategy. As we get our first goal, the same strategy was that we sit down, take us down on the break. And of course, it worked for us. Just as when we enter second half, nothing put more of the balls into the net. And according to Oyibo English, so you cannot eat your cake and have it. When you miss all the ball all the time, you don't know so your opponent will physically score. Everything just happen. So, but a very fine game. But don't just play because I don't lie you, I know I can't miss anybody outside Chelsea fan. Very talk say Chelsea go win. All Arsenal fans are miss now, Arsenal go win. All my fans miss, Arsenal go win. No, everybody see Chelsea as a very limited team this season now. Yes, but game dey okay. Chelsea play very well to me.
So what do you think about Mikhailo Modric's performance? Because you know say last season, for a year, they always they talk and say, Chelsea throw away money for Mikhailo Modric. Chelsea throw away money for Mikhailo Modric. How you see Modric's performance today?
I don't think they talking about this now. I say the boy. Now see what was the game today? Now still work on improvement. Never still become good player. Yes. Wetin we see for Shaka Donetsk so well, Ukraine League, you want to compare Premier League o. But wetin we see, say now with themselves for Premier League, he never reach that level yet. But still work on progress. And I believe say if they use am well, strategically, he go pick form and he go come back to the best.
So make I ask you about one of Chelsea new signing for this team, Cole Palmer. How you see Palmer performance? Because you know say when Chelsea signed Palmer, many people talk say that signing fee for a player we never to play like that for Man City, say the money too much. But how you see Palmer performance from this game and what you don't see so far from the player?
Boy, they improve. They play ball. He gets silence now. But see, once you have to understand that, I tell you, yeah, if team what this top team say they won't buy you, know so you be good player. See just they left out for you to work or maybe not work. So you are a good player. And of course, the role you have to play now, play like sometimes let's say they drip center 10, they go win, drip center 10, they go win. And they favor them very well. So Palmer they improve very well. Just they play ball. From the midfield, at least more dear honest now, we watch game. Even you be an Arsenal fan, you see Caicedo, Gallagher, and what be the name, Enzo. Chelsea play midfield from Arsenal now. Play ball very well. Even with Gustos, see when they mark Martinelli. The guy remove Martinelli. Trossard now just come, set piece, something like set piece, now it takes score now. Gusto said not fail. Corella self improve. This still will be old man to be man of this match. Silva self play very well. Just the unfortunate say at the end the game come to drop. Cup still a mistake. And that's the mistake we say if you who observe me rush the match. And the time every day say now this play from the back now make Mendy because Mendy lose some. Not be saying that they keep not be saying that they save very well, they save. But play from the back, not be every keeper get the leg. Now play like Kepa now. Kepa go pour for service, but he go play like midfielder for you. Others from Man City go play like midfielders for you. Chelsea keeper, both these guys will sign, so this Sanchez, not be keeper they play from the back. But say for the saving aspect, now good ball. And like the main kind of now, the make they lose confidence because you know say play from the back. I just dey tell you guys say this people from the back not like am now the goal come. So yes.
So far, I want to ask you about the manager, Mauricio Pochettino. How you dey see the team under the manager? We know say that just about 9 games so far this season for Premier League, if I did correct. And we know say time still there to judge. But with what you don't see so far, you think say any improvements there from the Chelsea what we see last season and the one we don't see 9 games into the season for the Premier League?
Even our enemy sef no say improvement dey. Our biggest enemy say Lucifer. Lucifer know sef say improvement dey for Chelsea squad. So we won't leave am for that one. Person na coach. I always talk before say Chelsea problem no na how mature players. Now we use 9 games to dey judge teams wey don play 2-3 seasons o. These players na 8 new players na dey put on starting level now. Malu Gusto, wetin be him name again? Caicedo, Palmer. Almost 8 new players na dey feast for 9 games and they dey play like this. Once they don play 1 season, 2 seasons, they go bite now. So for me, Brazil no dey never do anything bad. Just that I want make you understand how we take dey play our game. The guy be like he never really get pattern yet, but tactically I dey see good tactical games when they play. But whenever I get past and say I just want to play like this, we never get yet.
So Chelsea next game now against Brentford. What do you dey expect from the team, and what will be your score prediction?
If na the way we take play this game, we win Brentford now. No, honest. Na the way we take play this game, we go win Brentford. So I think yes, we go win Brentford.
Scoreline.
I say 2-0. Because me, I feel say even this game, people like James, no dey inform. This guy, Jackson himself, he do wrist surgery. I don't know if you are aware. I mean, he never play international duty for Senegal. As of Sassi, he never play the game. So the team said never really balanced. So Caicedo and Enzo, only one day training that they do. One day training, yesterday training. No, na South America, they fly come on Friday, train that same Friday, play ball today. So I believe say as we dey balance well, but we win this game. But just as luck, as some football be, Arsenal supposed to win first half. Arsenal for first half. Second half, Chelsea to win like 4-0 for this second half. Like 4-0. Before Arsenal get that goal, Jackson don't miss you. Sterling, boy, go play with shots. I don't know if you want to try, don't miss you. So Chelsea need to win this game. I'm not happy. They play like I'm sure I'm the experience I'm talking about. The experience team like the Man City now. If Bernardo Silva and be Sterling, go score that ball. If na Haaland did that attack, go score that ball. You never go say one dribble. Even if keeper save the ball, the face go break. But na shots go take play am. So that's what it be.
All right, now, guys, say thank you for your time.